Hello my friends, and welcome to another Tackle Your Mess video where I give you all of the cleaning and homemaking motivation that you need to tackle your mess throughout the day. In today's video, we are going to be cleaning together. I'm going to be sharing a grocery haul a little bit later with you in the video, and I'm also going to be sharing with you guys how I make my homemade ice caps. So put me up on whatever device that you want, grab a coffee, grab a glass of water, and clean with me. Let's go.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him.
So you can see here, the glasses are starting to not come clean. It is actually Thursday when I'm filming this. Usually I do this on Sunday. If you haven't seen my Sunday routine, I can link that below. But what I like to do is I actually like to get this out and clean the filter. You can see it starts getting really gross, and that's when you know it is time to clean it.
Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time?
So once I get the filter all cleaned from the dishwasher, it is so easy to put back in. You literally just pop it back in, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start tackling the dishes. So I feel like I do dishes quite often in my videos, but you guys, this is real mom life or even homemaking life. There is always dishes to be done. And so I wanted to keep it really real with you in today's video. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get the dishwasher loaded and then get the dishes done as quick as possible. So if you have a sink full of dishes, I would love for you to tackle those with me right now.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember?
And if you are new here and you haven't already, I would love for you to hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family. I am really excited for what is to come here on my channel. I do lots of cleaning and homemaking motivations. I love the Tackle Your Mess series where I help to get you motivated and try to encourage you to tackle your mess alongside with me. I also love to share recipes here on my channel, and you'll see in a little bit here I will be sharing my homemade ice cap recipe, and I also love to share the odd home DIY projects that are budget and renter friendly.
I know the feeling, it's traumatizing. I fall apart piece by
So I am just taking my Dawn Power Wash dish spray and cleaning my sink with it. I had got some comments saying you guys loved when I cleaned my sink in my videos, so here you are, a lovely before and after. Also, if you haven't seen my latest video where I share with you guys how I tested out 10 different ways to use the Dawn Power Wash, make sure that you go and check that out so you can see what worked and what didn't.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters.
Alright everybody, we are going to take a break from cleaning right now, and I'm going to show you guys how to make this homemade ice cap. It is so good. I've actually shared it over on my Instagram, so if you're not following me over there, make sure that you go and check me out over there. I share a lot on my stories. I don't really post a lot. I have fun with reels, that sort of thing, but yeah, go check it out. Anyway, back to the homemade ice cap recipe. Let's go ahead and make this together. So you're gonna need 12 ice cubes in a blender. I love this Ninja blender. I will have it linked below. So you're also gonna need 5 ounces of coffee. It's 2/3 of a cup of coffee. Now, of course, ideally you wanna use Tim Hortons. I actually make mine with decaf. So go ahead and just pour it in the cup. Then you need 1/3 of a cup of cream. Three tablespoons of brown sugar. And 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Then you're gonna go ahead and blend it and pour it into your favorite cup. And there you have your homemade ice cap. Alright friends, moving on from the cleaning for a minute, it is time to show you guys the grocery haul. So I spent just over $300 and I ended up stocking up on a lot of things as we just went into another state of emergency, and I know people are going to start panic buying. So I just wanted to grab some things to last us a little bit longer so that things didn't sell out. I didn't panic buy, I only got what we needed, and so I'm going to share what we got right now. Alright, so starting off, I got some of this Dave's Killer bread. You guys all know I love this bread. It was on sale, so I got 2 bags and I'm going to freeze them. I got some chips. We needed 1 bag, so I just got an extra one just because. I got a little bag of flour, as I honestly just think it'll be good to have, and I used up all that we had. I normally buy whole wheat flour, but again, it's just nice to have that. I got 2 things of pancake mix. You guys know I love almond flour pancakes, so we use this as waffle mix instead. I got this to add to our little stash. I got a couple things of pasta. I get the Smart pasta. I really like the taste of it. And then I get this stuff for the girls for lunches. It is a lot healthier, and I just make homemade mac and cheese with it. I stocked up on the wild blueberries. I got some broccoli as well, and then some whole green beans. We have like no fruits and veggies, but this is all I got for now. I'm gonna go back to the store again in a few days and I'll probably get a couple more. Lily requested some apples and lemons. She likes to just eat lemons. It's actually amazing, but yeah, so got her some of those. I got an organic cucumber. The girls needed more toothpaste. We were out of toothpicks, just like random things. And then coming over here, I got some mayo, and then I got some pasta jar sauce. So this is the stuff I love. This is the basil pesto. This stuff is the bomb. And then I got 4 cans of the Classico because when things were like, because like when we weren't in lockdown, this stuff was not available. And they had some. I debated taking the case, but I was nice and just took that. So there's that. Next, I got some of this for our Caesars. So I got the jalapeno stuff because, I don't know, I'm really excited to try it. Instead of regular, coffee was on sale. I got that time of the month, and I don't want to run out of that stuff. So yeah, there's that. I got a whole cooked chicken for pizza night tomorrow night. I got pineapple, our favorite creamer. You guys know Aaron and I love this stuff. Cheese was on sale, so I just got 1 bag for now. I got some more palm juice for the girls' smoothies, some more baby mums. I stocked up on cereal because we are like totally out of cereal, which I don't know how that happened, but this stuff was on sale as well. And this is really good in yogurt as like a granola. So you can have that. And then I like Cheerios, and Lily and Aaron like Vector. I got 2 things of the Greek yogurt. I do the 5% plain. I put this in our smoothies as well as use it as sour cream for a healthier alternative. And then I got some cottage cheese. I'm going to be making some lasagna for meal prep. Maybe I can do a whole separate video on how I do freezer meals and stuff like that. I got this bruschetta stuff. I shared this in my morning routine. I freaking love this stuff, you guys. And then I have some strawberries. So that is the grocery haul. Not a lot of fresh stuff. I basically went to stock up on all of that. I totally forgot, but I also got a value pack of the free run chicken as well as a bag of Homo organic milk. So forgot to include that in the haul. Also got these cheese strings. So now it is time to go ahead and put all of this away before we start cleaning and tackling the rest of my house. I'm actually gonna go through my fridge right now. It is a wreck, so let's go ahead and tackle that before we put the rest of the groceries away.
Want your kisses in the morning light. Wanna be next to you every night. No, I shouldn't love you, but I might. 'Cause your lips, they taste like cherry wine.
So one thing I love about my fridge organization, which I did a video on recently and I can have it linked below, but these little bins, they are just from the dollar store, so super inexpensive. And when they get dirty, you literally just go and clean them out individually. And it is just the easiest mess to clean up, so I love them. You'll notice here, I didn't do a huge fridge organization and clean. I just kind of tackled what needed to be done, but I do plan on tackling that a little bit later in a future video. And so make sure that you stay tuned for that. But I just wanted to prep this chicken here and get it ready for our pizza night. We have pizza and movie nights on Fridays, and so just wanted to have that prep so I didn't have to do it the following day.
Stay with me until tomorrow. Could you be the one to kill my sorrows? Maybe one night you can play the hero. Even if I know it's only for show.
And if you were liking this video and you're still here, I would love for you to give this a thumbs up if you haven't already, and leave me a little flower emoji in the comments to let me know that you are still here, you guys. I appreciate you all so much, and I hope that you know it means a lot to me.
Talk to me, baby. I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline.
All right, everybody, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and you tackled your mess alongside me today. If you enjoyed it and you got some cleaning motivation, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna